The secret of successful day. Purposeful planning successful days often start with clear goals and priorities. Setting specific objectives helps in focusing efforts and staying on track throughout the day. Effective time management. Managing time efficiently involves allocating periods for tasks based on their importance and urgency. Techniques like prioritization, batching similar tasks, and using tools like calendars or task management apps can enhance productivity. Healthy habits. Physical and mental well-being significantly impact daily success. Incorporating habits like adequate sleep, regular exercise, balanced nutrition, and mindfulness practices can boost energy levels and improve cognitive function. Continuous learning and adaptability. Embracing a growth mindset and staying adaptable to changing circumstances fosters resilience and innovation. Learning new skills, seeking feedback, and staying open to different perspectives contribute to personal and professional growth. Positive mindset and reflection. Cultivating a positive outlook and practicing gratitude can enhance motivation and overall satisfaction. Reflecting on achievements, challenges, and lessons learned at the end of each day promotes self-awareness and continuous improvement. Purposeful planning is foundational to successful days because it establishes a roadmap for achieving your objectives. When you plan with purpose, clarity of goals, you define what you want to accomplish, breaking down big objectives into actionable steps. Prioritization. You identify tasks based on their importance and urgency, ensuring that you allocate time and resources effectively. Time management. By planning your day, you optimize how you spend your time. This involves scheduling tasks realistically and avoiding overcommitment. Focus and direction. Planning provides clarity on where to direct your energy and efforts, minimizing distractions and increasing productivity. Adaptability. While planning is crucial, being flexible allows you to adjust to unexpected events or new opportunities that may arise throughout the day. Effective time management is another critical aspect of successful days. It involves more than just planning. It's about how you execute your plans and utilize your time efficiently. Task prioritization. Identifying the most important tasks and tackling them first ensures that you make progress on key objectives. Setting deadlines. Establishing deadlines for tasks creates a sense of urgency and helps you stay focused and motivated. Eliminating time wasters. Recognizing and minimizing activities that consume time without adding value, like excessive social media browsing or unnecessary meetings, maximizes productive hours. Batching similar tasks. Grouping similar tasks together, e.g., responding to emails, making phone calls, optimizes workflow and reduces transition time between different types of activities. Using tools and techniques. Leveraging productivity tools such as calendars, task management apps, and time tracking software helps in organizing tasks and monitoring progress effectively. Techniques like the Pomodoro technique, working in focused intervals with short breaks, can also enhance productivity. Effective time management not only ensures that you accomplish tasks efficiently, but also allows room for unexpected events or opportunities, contributing to a balanced and successful day. Maintaining healthy habits is crucial for sustaining energy levels and mental clarity throughout the day, thereby contributing to overall success. Adequate sleep. Prioritizing quality sleep, typically 7 to 9 hours for adults, enhances cognitive function, mood regulation, and overall well-being. Regular exercise. Engaging in physical activity boosts energy levels, improves focus, and reduces stress. It also promotes better sleep quality. Balanced nutrition. Consuming a balanced diet rich in nutrients supports brain function and sustained energy throughout the day. Avoiding excessive sugar and caffeine can prevent energy crashes. Hydration. Staying adequately hydrated, drinking enough water, supports cognitive function, mood, and overall physical health. Mindfulness and stress management practices like meditation, deep breathing, or taking short breaks throughout the day help manage stress levels, improve focus, and enhance decision-making abilities. By prioritizing these habits, individuals can maintain optimal physical and mental health, enabling them to perform at their best and handle challenges effectively throughout the day. Continuous learning and adaptability are crucial elements of successful days, fostering personal growth and resilience. Growth mindset. Embracing a growth mindset involves believing that abilities and intelligence can be developed through dedication and hard work. This mindset encourages learning from challenges and setbacks. skill development, actively seeking opportunities to learn new skills or deepen existing ones enhances competence and adaptability in various situations. Feedback orientation, being open to feedback from others, helps identify areas for improvement and fosters continuous learning. Flexibility and adaptability, remaining adaptable in the face of changing circumstances, allows for effective problem solving and decision making. It enables individuals to adjust their plans and strategies as needed. Curiosity and exploration, cultivating curiosity about different subjects and exploring new ideas or perspectives promotes creativity and innovation. By prioritizing continuous learning and adaptability, individuals can stay proactive and responsive to both opportunities and challenges, contributing to sustained personal and professional growth. A positive mindset and regular reflection play essential roles in ensuring successful days. Positive outlook, maintaining a positive attitude, can enhance motivation, resilience, and overall satisfaction with daily activities. It involves focusing on strengths, finding opportunities in challenges, and celebrating achievements, no matter how small. Gratitude practice. Practicing gratitude involves acknowledging and appreciating the positive aspects of your day, which can improve mood and overall well-being. Self-reflection, taking time to reflect on your experiences, accomplishments, and areas for improvement at the end of each day, promotes self-awareness and personal growth. This reflection can help identify what went well, what could be done different, and lessons learned for future success. Visualization and goal setting. Visualizing your goals and success can help reinforce your motivation and commitment. Setting specific, achievable goals provides direction and a sense of purpose for your daily activities. Resilience building. Cultivating resilience involves developing coping strategies for handling stress, setbacks, and challenges. This mindset allows you to bounce back stronger from difficult situations. By nurturing a positive mindset, practicing gratitude, engaging in regular self-reflection, and setting meaningful goals, individuals can cultivate a sense of purpose, resilience, and fulfillment in their daily lives, contributing to long-term success and well-being.